Rectangle ABCD has AB equal to 5 inches and AD equal to 3 inches. The rectangle is rotated 90 degrees clockwise about the midpoint of side DC to form a second rectangle. What is the total area in square inches covered by the two overlapping rectangles? That is, the area of their union? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's set up coordinates. Put D at the origin and C to the right. So the bottom side DC runs along the x-axis. Then A is up here. B is up to the right. And each rectangle is 5 wide and 3 tall. The midpoint of DC, which we'll call M, is the point we rotate around. Now rotate the whole rectangle 90 degrees clockwise about M. It swings down into this second position, spanning from x equals 2.5 to 5.5, and from y equals negative 2.5 up to 2.5. Each rectangle has the same area. 5 times 3 equals 15 square inches. If we just add them, 15 plus 15, we double count the piece where they overlap. So the union is 15 plus 15 minus the overlap. The overlap is this shaded rectangle. It runs from x equals 2.5 to 5. That's a width of 2.5. And from y equals 0 to 2.5. A height of 2.5. So the overlap area is 2.5 times 2.5. Which is 6.25 square inches. Putting it together, 15 plus 15 minus 6.25 equals 23.75 square inches. The answer is 23.75.